Hello, my name is Jerry Jeremiah Rao and my student ID is 12011011725 and we are from group 34. Next, I'll pass to Suren.
Hi, my name is SURENTHIRAN SHAMOSAMUGAM. My ID number is 12111040053.
Hi, my name is SASHVIN SURESH Kumar. My student is 1211103437.
Okay, I'll be continuing about the coding project. So here I'll have my restaurant booking system and I have my public files which have all the HTML, CSS and JavaScript functions. Before that, we have to install some Node modules because I'm using Node.js and Express.js. So you got to run npm installation and all that details is provided in the GitHub. Before that, now I'm getting straight into how to explain how to run the website. So I'll just be running npm run dev. This one will start the nodemon server.js. Next, I'll be going into this localhost website. Give a few minutes. Okay, so this is basically how our website looks like for the restaurant booking system. This is the home page, and now I'm going to log in or register. For that, I gotta create an account first. So let me just create a simple account. Just name it demo. Email. .com. Contact number. Let me just put it simple. Password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I'll be registering. Once the registration is successful, there'll be a prompt over here saying localhost registration successful. So you can log in and it's navigation to the login page. You take the same demo, the full name and the email. And the contact number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Password also save. So I will log in. So see, once I can log in, it prompts a message said login successful. Then I'll be in the dashboard in the menu page. So this is like the menu layout. This is where I can make a reservation for the customers, how many of us. Then I can just log out from here. And also the admin page is not shown to the public. It's safe. So I have to change the URL admin.html. Here I can see the customers that last over here. The one I just registered just a few minutes ago. These were all the reservation and the customer that I registered previously. My name over here, SASHVIN's name over here, and all the example test names. So then we get to the home page, and I think that's all from me. I will pass to Suren.
Okay, now this is our report. Let's go through it. So first and foremost, there will be the objective. So the objective is facilitate seamless online table reservation for customers and also implement a secure and scalable database system that can effectively store and retrieve the reservation data. So next is the design and implementation. As you can see before this, there were design and a lot of things that we have implemented in the application. Next is the hardware and software. We use various types of hardware. Some of them are Node.js, SQL Server database, and also SSMS. Next will be the system design and database design. So the system design, we choose to have a minimal design for our application. And the database design also, we didn't complicate too much. We just filled in all the important things that we needed for the database itself. Next, number 5, we'll be looking at database security measures. There are 4. One is access control, hashing, regular backups, and also the audit logs. Next, we'll be looking at the implementation of the application using SQL database. Here you can see based on the screenshot, there are 4 screenshots. In this, all are the screenshot of the website that we have done, and everything are working well. Next is the customer table. In this, as we know that they are the important things such as customer ID, username, full name, email, contact number, and also the password. Next is the reservation table. This is for when we want to book a table inside the restaurant itself. So there will be reservation ID, reservation date, reservation time, number of requests, which means number of people will be entering the restaurant. Next, number 3, we'll be looking at the login audit trail table, which will be the login ID and also the login time. So as you can see from the table below, there is a one-to-many table from customer to the reservation. And next is the database creation. Based on the table above, we have created the customer and also the reservation based on the important things that we have to do. Then next we will go down some more. We will go to here are the codings, all the codings. Yes, down. Okay, next will be number 5, which is the security measures. Yes. So security measures like basically like protecting the customer identity or all their personal things. So any unauthorized people cannot easily access all this information. And next, number 6 is the texting application, where all the new entry and we can delete also the old entries. So as you can see from the screenshot here are some example. Below is all their username, full name, and also their password, which is hashed. All right. So next will be the threat modeling. So stride and red are the threat modeling. So here will be more information. And then after that, we'll be looking at here all be the tables. And finally, we'll be looking at the security measures implementation, which is number 1 is hashing. As you've seen before, we have implemented hashing password, which can be used for securing the customer's personal data. Next will be the access control. Access control are the crucial in restaurant booking system to uphold the integrity of the system itself. Next will be the auditing/audit trials. This implementation of audit trial features to track users' login activities in the application itself. And finally will be the backup and recovery. So basically the system is always have a backup. So below you can see the screenshot for the backup itself. Yeah. So with that being said, that's all for me. Now I will pass it to SASHVIN. Thank you.
Okay, I'll be talking about the GitHub. Okay, first is restaurant booking system. The description is the restaurant booking system is web-based application designed to manage restaurant reservation efficiently. It allows customers to create accounts, book tables, and view their reservations. The system also provides login tracking to all login audit trail. So this is the data setup. The SQL commands to create database and the user. So this is the query to create the database and create the user for that. And the second one is SQL commands to create tables. So there are 2 tables, customer tables and reservation tables. So this is a query also. The next one is a login audit trail table. This is the query we used. The next is the server code. Install dependencies. Running for the following commands to install required dependencies. This is the code which is used to run the following command. For running the server, there's 2. One is for the production and one is for the development. So for production, we'll use the npm start, and for development, we'll use the npm run dev. Next is the environment variables. So to create an env file in the root directory with the following configurations. So this is all the lines we use to do that. Next is to check SQL server name. We need to use this query, which is select server name as server name. The technologies used in our assignment is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, Express.js, and Microsoft SQL as server. So that's all from me. Thank you.